Hello everyone, welcome to Mrs. Lin's Kitchen. Today I want to show you how to make Taiwanese hakka style flat rice noodles or Ban Tiao in Mandarin Chinese. The main ingredient is the long grain rice, but other ingredients can be added to achieve a slightly different texture. I prefer adding potato or tapioca flour for more flexible and durable noodles. Since there's no wheat flour in the recipe, this noodle is also gluten-free. My setups for making the flat rice noodles are a 14-inch wok, 9x9 baking pan, and a high-speed blender. To start, wash 1.5 cup of rice a couple of times and let it dry. Make sure to shake off as much water as possible. Then soak the rice with 2 1/3 cup of water overnight. By soaking the rice, it will expand and get soft, so it's easier to grind it into a smooth mixture. To test if the rice is ready, snap the rice grain in half using your fingertip. If it's easily done, then the rice is ready for the next step. Mix rice and water mixture with tapioca flour and process it in the high-speed blender for about a minute. Make sure the mixture is as smooth as the rice drink. The basic rule is you don't want grit or hard lumps, or the noodle will be bumpy and not smooth. Start your steamer by boiling the water and get ready for steaming. Grease the baking pan before pouring in the rice mixture. When the pan is ready, pour in about half cup of mixture. You want the thickness of noodle to be about 1/16 to 1/8 inch thick. When the steamer is ready, place the baking pan in and steam it for about 3 minutes. Take out after 3 minutes. Your noodle should look slightly translucent. Let it cool off, then spread another layer of oil on top before taking it off the mold. Repeat the same steps until all the rice mixture is gone. Fold the cooked flat noodle in half. Cut the noodle to about 5/8 inch wide. Here are our Taiwanese hakka style flat rice noodles. For your best satisfaction, use the noodle when it's freshly made. Since you're making this noodle from scratch, you can make it wider, narrower, thicker, or thinner to fit your taste. If you tried this recipe, then make sure to check out my previous video on how to make Taiwanese hakka style flat rice noodle soup. The link will be in the description down below. You can also make stir-fry or noodle soup using this noodle. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming recipe. Please leave me some comments below and let me know what dishes you will make using this noodles. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video soon.